In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view employee notes in QuickBooks Accountant. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or just getting started with QuickBooks, managing employee information can be crucial to your workflow. That's why today we're going to explore how to efficiently view and even add notes to an employee's profile. Let's start with the basics. First, open QuickBooks and click on the Sign In option. If you're a user of QuickBooks Online, make sure you select that option when you see it. Signing in is the first and essential step to access all the features and tools that QuickBooks has to offer. Once you're prompted, input your credentials. This is your usual username and password. After entering your login information, click Continue. QuickBooks will verify your credentials and you'll be all set to move to the next step. Now that you're signed in, head over to the Employees section. You'll find this option on your dashboard. Clicking on Employees will allow you to view all the employee profiles that are set up in your QuickBooks account. This area is essentially your hub for managing employee-specific information. Next, click on the employee profile you wish to view. This action brings up that employee's complete profile, including details such as personal information, payroll, and of course any notes that might have previously been added. Once you've selected the employee profile, look for the Notes tab. Clicking on this tab gives you access to any notes already recorded for this employee. It's a great way to keep track of updates, personal achievements, or anything pertinent to that individual's role in the organization. At this point, you have the option to not only view existing notes, but also add new ones. Simply click on the Add Notes button to open a text box where you can input your own notes. This feature is especially useful for documenting observations or instructions that need to be accessed later. Type in your notes carefully, ensuring that the information is clear and concise. Once you're satisfied with what you've written, make sure to click on the Save button. This action will securely store your notes within the employee's profile, making them easily retrievable for future reference. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully viewed and added notes to an employee's profile in QuickBooks Accountant. This process helps streamline your administrative tasks and keeps your team organized. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.